Hey there, garden enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the top summer gardening tips to keep your plants thriving. Summer can be challenging for gardeners, but with these essential tips your garden will be the envy of the neighborhood. So, let's get started. First up, hydration is key. During those scorching summer days, your plants need plenty of water to stay healthy. But remember, it's not just about quantity, timing is crucial too. Water your plants early in the morning or late in the evening to minimize evaporation and ensure the roots can absorb the moisture. Avoid watering during the hottest part of the day. It's like giving your plants a hot shower, and trust me, they won't appreciate it. Next, let's talk about mulch. Mulching is your garden's best friend in summer. A thick layer of organic mulch helps retain moisture, keeps the soil cool, and suppresses those pesky weeds. Plus, as the mulch breaks down, it adds valuable nutrients to the soil. Use materials like straw, wood chips, or even grass clippings. Your plants will thank you. Now, on to feeding your plants. Summer is a time of rapid growth, and your plants need extra nutrients to keep up. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to provide a steady supply of nutrients throughout the season. And don't forget to deadhead those flowers. Removing spent blooms encourages new growth and keeps your garden looking vibrant. Speaking of growth, don't underestimate the importance of pruning. Regular pruning helps maintain the shape and health of your plants. It also improves air circulation, reducing the risk of disease. Trim back any dead or damaged branches and remove any suckers that sap energy from the main plant. A little trim here and there goes a long way. Let's not forget about shade. Some plants can't handle the intense summer sun and may need a little extra protection. Use shade cloths or plant umbrellas to shield delicate plants from the harshest rays. Alternatively, you can strategically plant taller plants to create natural shade for the more sensitive ones. It's all about finding the right balance. Lastly, keep an eye out for pests. Summer is prime time for garden invaders like aphids, caterpillars, and mites. Regularly inspect your plants and take action at the first sign of trouble. Use natural remedies like neem oil or introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs to keep the pests in check. It's a proactive approach that can save your garden from disaster. Alright, garden warriors, that's a wrap on my top summer gardening tips. With these strategies, your plants will not only survive but thrive through the hottest months. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.